Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna have a look into Switch Trubudz style. So we'll be covering quick unboxing and review of Trubudz style. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So now, without wasting your time, let's get started. Let's get into the box right now. Ooh, that's a great ambience. Just look at that. I really love the color code of the box. Just look at that black, grey, tealish grey. It makes up the box so much beautiful. On top it comes with a plastic packing. We have two Trubudz right up on the box. We have two pairs of different sizes of ear tips and a standard micro USB charging cable and pretty solid user manual. The charging case is pretty damn solid and small. Let me give a brief idea about the Switch. Switch is a well-known brand mainly known for their colored earpods. If you're into colored Apple AirPods, you should definitely check them out. The charging case is damn compact and they are almost the same size as that of Apple AirPods, but depth-wise they're even short. And the earbuds are even tiny and compact. They're just so easy to carry on. Before we get into the review, let me just give the technical specification. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and the range can be extended up to 10 meters. You get a pretty top solid battery life up to 10 hours with the charging case. You can charge these two Trubudz up to 2 to 3 times with the charging case. The charging case comes with 300 mAh battery and either of these Trubudz comes with 45 mAh on each. The box has a magnetic effect and either of the Trubudz are just attracted. And the lid of the charging case to have a pretty damn magnetic effect. You also get a long 50 hours of standby time. Each of the Trubudz weighs exactly 4.6 gram and the total package weighs 31.9 gram to be precise. On the Trubudz we have the speaker and 2 charging connectors and a button to perform almost all the actions. So the main highlight of the Switch box is the size. Well, I spent quite a couple of hours playing the Trubudz and here's my final verdict. The sound quality on this Trubudz is pretty above average, not the best, and it is more than what you would expect from a Trubudz. I wish they could have gone for the USB Type-C instead of the micro USB. It takes an hour and a half to fully charge from fully dead. The case is similar with the two earbuds inside too. You can also activate the Google Assistant and the Siri with the voice commands. So I hope you got a good idea regarding the Switch Trubudz. If you're looking forward to buy the Switch earbuds, I would really recommend it. And for the price point, it's really a good value. And you guys have been watching Indian Safe Creations, and this is me.suraif, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye.